In this video, we will discuss the subtraction of signed numbers. Remember, sign means positive or negative numbers. Okay, let's start. Number 1, we have 5 minus 3, and we all know that that is equal to 2. But I'm going to look at this subtraction in a little different way. Another way you can do is this subtraction can also be written as 5 plus negative 3. And you're probably saying, why did I do that? It's because that is going to help us do some longer problem later on. And 5 add negative 3, same as 5 take away 3, which of course is equal to 2. All right. And here we have now 3 subtract 5. And some of you may know that that is equal to it's going to land in a negative region, like negative 2. But I'm going to approach this as 3 add negative 5. And we've seen this kind of problem in a previous video where we are adding two numbers with opposite sign, and that turns out to be negative 2. Okay, here, number 3, now we have 5 subtract negative 3, and this is where the changing of the subtraction into addition is going to come in handy. And the rule is we change the subtraction into an addition, and then we have to change the sign of the following number. The following number is negative 3, so this is simply going to change to the opposite, which is positive 3. And we know 5 plus 3 is just equal to positive 8. Okay, and the last one, not the last one, we have 2 more problems. 3 subtract negative 5. We're going to approach this same way as what we did in the previous problem. I'm going to write that as 3 addition of opposite of negative 5, which is 5, and that's also equal to 8. All right, and then last one, number 5 problem. We have now 3 numbers we are subtracting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite the subtraction as addition of negative 4, and the last one will be addition of positive 5. All right, and one of the things we can do is we can just subtract from left to right, and that'll be 3 plus negative 4 is negative 1 plus 5, and that will give us positive 4. Or another way to look at is this same problem. I can rearrange the problem so that I can put 3 plus 5 first and then add negative 4. When you're adding, you can rearrange numbers any way you want, but make sure the signs stay consistent. For example, 3 and the 5 were positive, so in blue line 3 and the 5 are still positive, and 4 was the negative, and as you can see, the 4 stays as negative. Then that's going to give me 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus negative 4, and result is still the same, positive 4. All right.